A roulette wheel has 38 numbers. 18 of these numbers are red. 18 of these numbers are black. And two of the numbers, 0 and 00, are green. By the way, I'm describing American roulette. The European version has just one green number. The simplest bet in roulette is to bet on one of the main colors, let's say red. Okay, so I'm going to bet $1 on red. It's an even money bet, which means that if you bet $1, then you'll either win or lose $1, depending on whether or not a red number appears. Here, let's give it a try here. Red, 27, I win. Now, what are your chances of winning? Since there are 38 numbers, each of which has the same chance of occurring, and 18 of these numbers are red, then the probability that you win is 18 over 38, which is a little less than 50%. Clearly, you have a disadvantage at this game. We can quantify this disadvantage using the very important concept of expected value. If you only remember one concept from this lecture, this is what I want you to remember. The expected value of a bet is a weighted average of how much you can win or lose. When you bet on red in roulette, you'll either win $1 with probability 18 over 38, or you'll lose $1, or you could say win -$1 with probability 20 over 38, right? Because there are 18 red numbers and 20 numbers that aren't red. Hence, your expected value is 1 times 18 over 38 plus -1 times 20 over 38. That's -2 over 38, -0.0526. What this means is that on average, you'll lose about 5.3 cents for every $1 that you bet. Now, in roulette, you can bet on other things besides color. For instance, you can bet that a number between 1 and 12 shows up. Here, let me show you here. So let's say we bet $1 that one of the first 12 numbers shows up. The casino pays 2-to-1 odds for this bet, which means that if you bet $1 and you win, then the casino pays you $2, okay? So let's calculate our expected value here. So when you bet $1, you're going to win $2 with probability what? 12 numbers out of 38. And you're going to lose $1 with probability 26 over 38. Because if you win 12 times out of 38, you lose 26 times out of 38. Hence, the expected value of this bet is 2, that's what you win, 12 over 38 times, plus -1, that's for losing 1, 26 out of 38 times. When you do the math, that's -2 over 38, -0.0526, which is the same number as before. Or suppose you bet on a single number. Let's say I like lucky number 17. All right, here the casino pays 35-to-1 odds. Thus, when you make this bet, then you either win $35 with probability 1 over 38, just one winning number out of all 38, or you lose $1 with probability 37 over 38. So when you calculate the expected value, 35 times 1 over 38 plus -1 times 37 over 38, once again, you get -2 over 38. We still get -5.3 cents. Interestingly, when you play roulette, practically every bet has the exact same expected value of -5.3 cents per $1 bet.